So this is the kind of talk I give. As a pediatric emergency doctor, I talk a lot about preventing iatrogenic nociceptive events. But then when my 4-year-old had a really bad pain experience with shots that left him needle phobic, I invented a device that blocks needle pain. The device is called Buzzy, and now I talk about blocking pain. Ratcheting between emergency doctor and entrepreneur has been an education. The biggest barrier, though, to changing my idea into inventory wasn't lack of business acumen or lack of capital or even lack of a really awesome team. The thing that almost torpedoed Buzzy from the beginning was a lack of language. So, if you're going to understand how language impacted my inventing, you need to understand how shots hurt. All right, that was a Converge empathy check. I think we'll work on this. So, sharp pain combines with any cold or motion sensations in the spine to deliver one single message to the brain. Fortunately, the sharp pain nerves are actually very small, so if you can get enough cold and vibration, you can overwhelm the sharp pain. So what our award-winning and patented technology does is it combines a high-frequency vibration with an ice pack, and together we call it Buzzy. If you put the two between the brain and the pain, instantly, just like putting a finger under running water, the burn disappears. So, shots don't have to hurt. Now, if I was going to make Buzzy, I needed motion. And full disclosure, my eureka moment involved a bag of frozen peas and a TurboFlex 4000 personal massager. And I tried to source vibrating motor. You can't find it in a catalog. So then I took apart cell phones and I tried to make prototypes out of watch and cell phone vibration. That was too wimpy. So in desperation, I went to an adult toy store and I took apart vibrator after vibrator until I finally found one with a part number and I sourced it. And free information, if you're looking to make something vibrate, the words you're looking for are cylinder motor. So now I'm ready to mass produce, right? So everyone said startup, China. And so we found a manufacturer for Buzzy and a manufacturer for our neoprene totes that hold the little ice wings to keep them cold. And the first shipment was great, and the second shipment of totes was delayed, and then we were back ordered, and then we got the email. Due to our negligent watchman, our factory caught fire, along with our entire neoprene inventory. We are terribly sorry and have burned the watchman. I assume they meant fired, but language matters. There were bumps with manufacturing Buzzy as well, and I'd always wanted to be made in the USA, so I asked for our steel tool back. They crated it, they said they shipped it, and then we waited, and we waited, and in the back of my mind, I'm smelling the whiff of burning neoprene all over again, and then we got the call. Hey, is this Buzzy for shots? We got a crate here that's got 750 pounds of mold in it. Do you want mold? We were just going to send it back or throw it away because they didn't know what we knew, which is that a tool and a mold are actually the same thing. So we said, yes, bring it, we want it. And now, this week, I'm proud to announce that we are shipping our first US-made Buzzies. I know, right? Some of the language has actually been fun to learn, like trying to design the retail packaging. I went through 4 prototypes until I learned that the little hang-taggy thing is called a Euro slot. And if you want to make a box pop open all by itself, it's called an auto bottom. So I'm shipping my vibrators in an auto bottom. And I think in retrospect, the biggest pitfall of language was, ironically, iatrogenic, meaning caused by a doctor. In this case, caused by me. The name of the company, Buzzy for Shots. See, we funded with a $1 million SBIR grant to study and prove that Buzzy decreased the pain of needles 50%. But once I proved that it decreased the pain of needles, I got focused on shots, on finger sticks, on injections. even on tattoos. And I was so stuck on shots that I forgot that the nerve also transmits burning and itching. It took our customers to tell us that what they were using Buzzy for was the burn of biologicals, the burn of Lovenox, of Botox. Then we heard from people that even allergy testing and itching were better with Buzzy, so eczema, mosquito bites. Our customers were the ones that taught me to think outside the shot. They were empowered, and they led me to go beyond shots, beyond kids to adults, to where we are today. So I look forward to talking to you at my booth. I would like to swap 3-letter acronyms. I have a few samples, and I would have one more if someone would bring back the one they took. And we have sold, at this point, 26,000 Buzzies by word of mouth. And that really shows the ultimate power of language. Thank you.